Apple cider vinegar is one of the most beneficial kitchen staples you can use, with a wide range of uses, from a cleaning tool, a beauty product, to a food ingredient. Both the internal and external use of apple cider vinegar is extremely useful. The simplest way to enjoy its benefits is to drink a tablespoon of it in the morning, on an empty stomach. The first visible effect is significant weight loss. Here are 10 more reasons to start using it on a daily basis. It has strong antiviral properties. Apple cider vinegar has potent antiviral properties which prevent and treat numerous infections. Moreover, it lowers the susceptibility to allergies and breaks up mucus in your body. It helps digestion and removes toxins. Vinegar detoxifies the body and removes the accumulated toxins in the liver. It is rich in potassium. Apple cider vinegar is abundant in potassium, which is an essential mineral responsible for normal heart function, proper function of the muscles, proper growth, and transmission of nerve impulses. It regulates blood sugar and blood pressure. The addition of vinegar to meals will prevent blood sugar spikes, and will also raise the concentration of insulin in the blood which typically occurs after meals. It restores pH balance. Due to its high content of malic and acetic content, apple cider vinegar regulates the internal pH balance. It supports healthy weight loss. Vinegar supports a healthy weight loss since it breaks down fats. You should drink it in a glass of water on an empty stomach every day. It whitens and strengthens teeth. You should apply it directly to the teeth, and rinse, in order to promote strength and whiteness of your teeth. Provides shine and volume to your hair. After shampooing, wash your hair with apple cider vinegar once a week to make your hair voluminous and shiny. It heals bruises and painful sunburns. To treat sunburns, you should soak a towel in apple cider vinegar. The skin absorbs the apple cider vinegar, and it will soothe the pain and discomfort. It soothes skin conditions and treats blemishes. To reduce the appearance of age spots and blemishes, rub some vinegar on the area using a cotton cloth or a cotton ball. Repeat the procedure in the morning, and in the evening, before going to sleep.